इस्तीफा दे दिया है। उन्होंने गवर्नर से मुलाकात करके इस्तीफा सौंप दिया है। वहीं जेपी नड्डा ने अरुण सिन्हा से कर्नाटक के हालात पर बात की। बीजेपी सदर जेपी नड्डा ने कर्नाटक के पार्टी इंचार्ज से बात की, तमाम तर सूरत हाल के बारे में बात की। वहीं इस्तीफे के बाद के ऐलान के वक्त येदियुरप्पा जज्बाती भी हो गए थे। उन्होंने कहा कि हमेशा अग्नि परीक्षा से गुजरा हूं, तमाम तर चैलेंज का सामना किया। 2 साल की हुकूमत में उन्होंने कोविड वबा हो, कुदरती आफात हो, तमाम तर ही चैलेंज से वो निपटे हैं और अग्नि परीक्षा से वो गुजरे हैं, लेकिन बावजूद इसके बेहतर काम करने की हमेशा कोशिश रही। साथ ही उन्होंने वज़ीर-ए-आज़म नरेंद्र मोदी और अमित शाह का भी शुक्रिया अदा किया और अवाम का भी शुक्रिया अदा किया कि उन्होंने मौका दिया उनको काम करने का। और वहीं इस पूरे मामले को लेकर के जो रिएक्शंस है वो भी सामने आ रहे हैं। बीजेपी लीडर्स के रिएक्शंस जिस तरह से सामने आ रहे हैं, आप भी सुनिए।
Resignation, he became very emotional. How do you see this, sir?
Yeah, we'll follow the High Command. What High Command says that is the final verdict for every BJP Karyakarta. We'll follow. So Yediyurappa also a BJP Karyakarta. He told yesterday also, I will follow the leadership. We are all follow our High Command. What our High Command is decision, that is the party decision. We have to follow the party decision. We will follow.
So who is next, sir?
I don't know. Anybody.
If High Command gives you permission to become CM, are you ready to become CM?
Yeah, everybody is ready. So High Command have to give permission.
No, the High Command has demanded Mr. Yediyurappa to step down. That is number one. The reasons are, his administration was not very fair. There was lot of corruption charges on the administration of Yediyurappa by his own party colleagues. The BJP legislators have charged him in public, in front of the press, that Yediyurappa's government is run by his son, not by him. So they also said his health doesn't permit him to make a good administration, so that we want a change. So it is BJP legislators who are demanding for Yediyurappa's change, and lot of BJP legislators who are appointed by Yediyurappa as ministers, they have come to Delhi and they have requested the High Command. Now the High Command has taken decision to oust him.
My simple question
Yes.
is that either the BJP or the Congress alliance chief minister is become temporary post there, and the political instability has create problem for people.
Yeah. No, it is 100% true. The day this government came into power is because of the defection from the Congress. 14 Congress MLAs and 3 JDS MLAs, they have defected, resigned, and they were made to resign by the BJP government. They were made to resign. They were given lot of money to resign the MLA post. Again they contested and they spent crores of rupees to come back. Now all of them has been made ministers, and still not these people who have defected, but the original BJP people are complaining against Yediyurappa, so he is resigning.
Also, Home Minister Amit Shah ji and All India President Nadda ji has given opportunity to serve as people of Karnataka for 2 years as Chief Minister. Entire country after 17 years, nobody has given opportunity. Whereas Yediyurappa, they have given opportunity to me even after 75 years. From last 2 years, because of their blessings, I am able to work as Chief Minister of Karnataka. For that, I will be grateful to our Prime Minister and Home Minister and also All India President. And also people of Karnataka, they have blessed me like anything. Particularly Shikaripura Taluk people have blessed me anything. And 7 times they made me MLA from their that constituency. For that also I will be grateful to them. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರು ನನ್ನ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ದುಡಿದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಹ